Hi guys! Could you tell me what color this t-shirt is? My husband would probably say it's white, but my girlfriends would probably say something like no it isn't, it's ivory or it's eggshell. Because we girls know a lot of different words to describe colors. Anyways, if you don't know or you simply can't remember a word to describe something, use the suffix ish. What color is it? It's whitish. It's whitish. So it's kind of white. It's somewhat white. Her eyes are greenish. So they are kind of green. Or you can't understand if someone's eyes are blue or gray, and you can say they are bluish, or they are grayish. How old is she? If you don't know how old a person is, maybe between 30 and 35, you can say I guess she's 30ish, meaning she's somewhere about 30 years old. I'm not sure, 30ish. And the same as with kids, I have no idea if a kid is 7 or 8 or 9 years old. I could say, I think he's 7ish. If you are like me, you often come late to parties and other gatherings. Here is a little life hack for you. Say, I'll be there about 5ish. I'll be there about 5ish. That means I'll be there at about 5 o'clock. You can come a bit earlier or 20 minutes later, it's still 5ish. Use ish to talk about someone's appearance. Appearance is what a person looks like. If someone is rather tall, not like 195, you can say the guy is tallish. The guy is tallish. The meaning is he's rather tall, he's kind of tall, he's quite tall. You can also use ish to make adjectives out of nouns. When I'm running around the supermarket wearing the Darth Vader mask, people can say that I'm acting childish. Childish means like a child. Or you can tell someone that they are being foolish. So you've got the word fool and you add ish to it and you've got foolish. Ish also means kind of, sort of, a little. I'm feeling hungry-ish. I'm feeling hungry-ish, meaning I'm a bit hungry. I'm kind of hungry. Not extremely hungry, but I'm hungry-ish, a bit hungry. I'm feeling tired-ish. I'm feeling tired-ish, meaning I'm kind of tired. I'm a little bit tired. I'm not gonna fall asleep right now here at my working desk, but I'm kind of tired. I'm tired-ish. Use ish to make a big difference in your English.